What up, jabronis? Let's talk about WordPress full site editing. And I'm tired of listening to you noobs complain about it. You're clinging for dear life with your website builder and jump on the bandwagon. Of course my dog's gonna bark. Of course he's gonna bark. Think about it this way. WordPress dominates the website scene. I don't know the numbers. Someone will fact check me. But it has to be near 50%, 60% in some cases and use cases. And so people are using it for a reason. It's great. Think about it as an open source company. And so the beauty of open source is it's going to adjust and change over time. That's also the negative, is that you have to kind of see where things go. My argument is, why not just go with the flow? And which way is WordPress going? Full site editing. They're lightweight, they're simple, and the best part is they're really easy to build like web apps, visually and both dynamically how they work, which is exactly what I do. I call it the ABG portal, baby. It's kind of a simple web app, website that's built like an app, easy to see, easy to navigate, easy to use. Cling on for dear life about your website builder because you can drag and drop everything in a perfect place. The problem is you're usually missing some technical experience to actually make that look good on a mobile device. I've seen so many designs. They look great on a computer. They're awful on a phone. Full site editing just maps that over automatically. It's so easy to build responsive designs. People's brains are melting. We have no patience for anything anymore. We're in information overload and we're suffocated. And that includes when we're visiting a website. All of these extra clicks, unnecessary features, unnecessary, just too much crap. The future of the website is to make simple, clear designs, nice contrast, simple branding, no stupid fluff. Sure, add a little animation, add something interesting, but keep it easy to read, easy to navigate, simple and straightforward, because we can't handle it anymore. There's too much information, and what used to be cool to have like a fancy over-designed website just isn't needed anymore. Simple, built like an app, visually appealing, easy to navigate, does just what it needs to do, nothing extra, easy to adjust in time, simple. I call it the ABG portal, baby. And let's be honest, is that one little extra gradient and location of a button really going to change a customer or convert a customer? What often gets people to go the other direction is inefficient designs, ugly, clunky layouts. We can just simplify things. Full site editor, websites built like an app. Access the subdomain, baby. You can have up to 100 subdomains. They're all little separate systems. I have one that I use to manage tournaments. I have one that I use to manage a sports team. I have one for my business. Of course my dog's gonna bark. Of course he's gonna bark. Anyways, the full site editor, it's getting better and better. The argument is, oh, there's some extra customization. Who cares? I show all of that. It's really easy to do. Jump on, my friends. Always be grinding.